Lisseth in Wonderland. Once upon a time there was a 4-year-old girl who every time she slept dreamed of being a theater actress, but it always ended in a nightmare because she said that a horse appeared and interrupted her play. Lisseth told her mother, but her mother said that maybe the horse was her father since he had died when she was born. But she wondered if her father was bad because in her dreams she could never finish her play. The days and years passed and her 15th birthday was approaching. Lisseth was anxious to put on her beautiful long dress, but something impressive happened when it was time for the party. None of her guests showed up. Lisseth was in a bad mood and crying. So she ran out to the forest and saw around her trees with beautiful yellow flowers and a beautiful giant tree. She looked at the tree and said, "I hope you talk and hug me." The tree answered her, "Of course, yes, my dear Lisseth." Lisseth was frightened and thought she was delirious when the tree said again, "Just let yourself go. Close your eyes." And the tree said, "Just let yourself go. Close your eyes." And a magical world was created. Lisseth was acting in a play, just the dream she had as a child, but the most incredible thing was that in that play, the trees, the yellow flowers she saw for the first time, and the 3 little pigs, Ring Ring Tadpole, Snow White, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and a dragon and more, where the audience Lisseth was very happy performing in front of such magical creatures. Until the horse arrived, she was scared. She knew that the horse was the nightmare as a child, so Lisseth stopped the scene and faced the horse. The horse ran and she went after him. The horse stopped in the middle of the forest and Lisseth said, "What do you want from me?" To which the horse replied, "To know you, beautiful daughter." Lisseth was shocked and said, "Father? My mother was right." And the horse said, "Yes." Lisseth asked herself many questions like, why did he die? What happened? The horse or her father who told her that she had died from a heart attack, but that he had always wanted to meet her, even if it was in other words, and so it was. Lisseth and her father talked for hours until it was time to leave. The father told Lisseth that he had to finish the scene of his play that he was going to see. Lisseth excitedly said yes, and so it was. Lisseth at the end of the scene looked at her father and told him, "I love you, Dad. I hope to see you again in this wonderful world." And from one moment to the next, Lisseth was at her quinceañera with many guests, happy enjoying her day and waiting for the night to come to sleep and dream of this wonderful world.